Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
So we had a nice little light show last night. Numerous thunderstorms kind of moved on through. Kind of surprising, actually, and produced a fair amount of rainfall under slow-moving storms. This one, night lightning shot, came in from Jack, who is 12 years old, and shot that nice photo. Another viewer photo, Emerald Harbor. Alexa sent this in. Again, one of our junior weather watchers and photographers. That's a beautiful shot, I think. And Jeffrey also sent this shot in from Siesta Key Sunset. We had a nice sunset, actually, and the showers kind of started a little bit later. I think they'll start a little bit earlier today because of the warm temperatures that we have out there. 89 degrees already. We have a dew point value of 70 and a feels like temperature coming in at 94. Dew point value just a little bit less thanks to that little easterly component to the wind. By 3 p.m., we'll have about a 20% chance of showers. Then those showers will kind of drift back toward the coastline, giving us a total of about 30% chance for the day, I think. And then as we head into the midnight hour, everything kind of settles down just a little bit. We'll have a little residual cloud maybe by tomorrow morning, maybe a few offshore showers just as we had this morning with that southeasterly wind flow. You can see the showers that developed yesterday morning or this morning right along the coastline as that kind of line of showers exited out into our near Gulf waters and then kind of faded away. We have more showers down to the south, kind of a slug of moisture, a little trough of low pressure, upper level trough of low pressure kind of swinging by the Florida Keys. That could help enhance our rainfall chance just a little bit, though currently everything's quiet. Nothing going on here locally, probably not for the next couple hours for sure anyway, before we start to see some pop up in the interior sections. So we continue to monitor this area of disturbed weather. That was Beryl. Now it's just a cluster of showers. Still given about a 50% chance for perhaps regeneration over the course of a 5-day period as it lifts north and then eventually whisked out, caught up by the same trough that's carrying Chris away. We also have this little trough just in front of it that's kind of moving across South Florida, as I mentioned. And so there's Chris, and pretty well-defined eye earlier on, kind of filled up with clouds for a time. Now it's looking more formidable again. Has the potential, I suppose, of maybe developing a little bit more over the next 24 hours, certainly maintaining its energy. But it will be whisked out quickly past Labrador up toward Iceland as we go through time. 100-mile-an-hour winds right now, down just a little bit in intensity. Still a Cat 2, though. Probably becoming extra tropical and losing a lot of its characteristics over the course of the next couple of days and then rapidly moving out into the open Atlantic. So no issue for us there. And then we have this cluster of clouds, which is forecast to lift northward, maybe re-intensifying into Beryl once again, and then drifting off to the north into the east, paralleling the United States coast. Again, no issue for us here locally. We have the trough of low pressure picking these systems up and carrying them out to the northeast. We also have this area of high pressure, which is building in over Gulf waters and will provide us with a westerly wind flow as we head into the weekend. That promises us some changes as we head into the weekend in terms of the timing of our storms. Southwest wind comes in at about 10 knots, and the forecast for the week ahead looks like this. We'll have about a 92 today, tomorrow, day after is about the same. Rain chances 30, 20%, something like that. Over the course of the weekend, our rain chances do go up, and they kind of hold there as we go into next work week. Scott?
John, thank you so much.